Dusty Roos back again. About to rain. It's not what I'm here to fucking show you though. Look at that beautiful lake. Alright, there we go. We're going to do a bit of wildflower, native flower looking. There you go, look at that. Alright, we'll go look at these ones then. Colours are all out. More woolly bush, Mrs. favourite. Yeah. Right, well, look at that. Beautiful. Fuck knows what this track is. Hey, just yellow. Like a bloody canola field. Isn't it? Right. That bunch. Beautiful. That's quite an awesome thing. Look, in this bush, a little bit there. Look, wow, this is huge. Massive bunch of bloody yellow flowers, I guess. Fuck, I don't know what they're called. Do you know? You fucking tell me. Alright. There's paper barks, eh? Amazing tree, the old paper bark. You got the Banksias over here. Colours are gone from them at the moment. Gotta love the birds and that, eh? Alright, where am I going? Oh, where are we going? Because you're going to follow me. Oh, we'll go this way. Like a bit of a wild fucking lost bush adventure now. Somehow. Oh. I think that way could be the way. Some way anyway. Rain's coming. Be fucking right. You malacca. Yeah, look, we've got some more flowers here. That is what I'm doing. Doing a little flower adventure. Who'd have fucking thought? Yeah. Oh, here we go. Into a bit of thickness. A bit of densation. Eh? You're going to hear a lot of fucking words you've never heard before, I'll tell you right now. Words I've never fucking heard. I spit them out and I question myself. Fuck. Yeah, a bit more of this purple shit. I don't know what it's called. The way these are growing in here. Eh? Nice little secluded area. Well, this stuff was thinking bacon and eggs or something. Fuck. And we got some flowers here. I don't know if you see in the background, but I don't know if I'm seeing some cunt's home there. Hey? What do you reckon? Can't fucking see anyone. Fuck, eh? We'll go this way. Oh. Fuck, alright. Yeah, this shit. Bring on a fucking wildflower adventure. I'll find some cunt's house. It's a good way to hold your fucking tree up, innit? Fucking brah. Yeah, brah. Okay. There's a full tin of fucking food there. Might not look like it. These cunts probably still living here. You know, in all those corona times. Oh, really? Look at that. Fuck. Hey, full tin of fucking tuna. Full fucking condom. Fuck. Not only is he camping, he's getting a root. What is it? Durex. Oh, yeah. There you go. I didn't expect that to be on the Wildflower Adventure. I really didn't. I'm going to leave that there. Fuck that. Alright, peace out.